For years, photography enthusiasts have yearned for the perfect balance between nostalgic aesthetics and cutting-edge technology. Nikon, a company steeped in photographic heritage, has consistently blended legacy with innovation. But now, all eyes are on a particular name, the Nikon ZFR. Could this be the retro-inspired full-frame mirrorless camera we've all been waiting for? Could this be the spiritual successor to the FM2 or the mirrorless sibling of the Nikon DF? Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. In this video, we'll break down everything we know and speculate about the Nikon ZFR, from design philosophy, rumored specs, and AI-powered functionality, to how it might fit into Nikon's existing mirrorless Z lineup. If you love retro design and crave modern performance, this is the camera to keep an eye on. Before diving into the ZFR, let's rewind the film. Nikon has a storied past when it comes to classic film SLRs. Cameras like the Nikon FM2, FE2, and F3 were not just popular, they were iconic. With manual dials, metal chassis, and a mechanical soul, these cameras remain beloved by analog purists and collectors alike. In 2013, Nikon released the Nikon DF, a full-frame DSLR inspired by that golden era of design. While beautiful, the DF was polarizing, lacking video, somewhat bulky, and not as practical for hybrid shooters. Fast forward to 2021, Nikon gave us the Nikon ZFC, a stylish APS-C mirrorless camera inspired by the FM2, but with a smaller sensor. So the question naturally follows, when will Nikon give us a full-frame retro mirrorless camera that hits all the marks? This is where the ZFR enters the spotlight. Let's break down the name. Z indicates the mirrorless system, built around the Z mount. F possibly references fusion or even film, suggesting a blend of classic and modern. R likely stands for retro, rangefinder style, or even revival. The ZFR could be to Nikon what the Fujifilm X Pro series or Leica M series is to their respective brands, a premium retro-themed camera with top-tier imaging capability wrapped in vintage charm. While Nikon hasn't officially confirmed the ZFR, industry insiders and leak channels suggest the following specs and design goals. Camera with flash rumored key specifications. Sensor, 24.5 MP or 45.7 MP full-frame BSI CMOS. Processor, XP7, same as Z8/Z9. IBIS, 5-axis in-body stabilization. Design, fully retro body, possibly inspired by FM2 or Nikon SP. Viewfinder, EVF disguised as an optical rangefinder. Display, tilting LCD or hidden screen to preserve analog feel. Build, magnesium alloy with leather-textured finish. Mount, Nikon Z mount. Connectivity, USB-C, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2. Video, 4K 60 or 6K RAW, still TBD. Shutter, mechanical and electronic hybrid. Dials, dedicated ISO, shutter speed, and exposure comp dials. These leaks suggest a no-compromise retro camera, not just a style-over-substance body. The ZFR is